So you pot, you plan, and you prune. What you got going here?
A little plan.
A little plan, okay. Well, I see you're probably trying to help some homeowners out here with some ideas for their backyard.
Yeah, they already showed me this plan that they had already drawn showing the deck and plotting out the trees that they already have on the property, but they asked me to give them just a few more ideas.
Well, I love playing with tracing paper back in kindergarten. That was fun.
It's fun for adults too, Danny. Well, what I've done is taken colored pencils, as you can see, and started showing where different things might work well. For example, they already have ground cover here, which I think is going to work, and I have color coded. A blue for the fountain, green for the ground cover, red for areas of flowers in beds, and violet for the vines.
I see.
Now, this is very, very generic.
But it's probably a great starting point if you're talking with, say, a landscape architect to give them an idea of kind of what you're looking at.
Oh, it's always a good idea to give a professional what you think you want. Now, if for some reason you can't budget it, it's something that the homeowner can do themselves.
I see.
Now, this isn't the stopping point. One reason why it's nice to use tracing paper is then you can lay over again. As you can see, I decided to move the fountain to this area and create more of the hardscape going over there. Once you've worked to the point where you think you're finished, then just take it to your favorite photocopy place and have it copied in color or black and white. You're ready to go.